When you made them prisoners in their home and they ran away. Is that treachery?
Treachery. Treachery.
Is that treachery? Aye, it is. Hundreds of miles from the sea. We're islanders, baby brother.
Islander. Islander.
We're islanders, baby brother. You're a terrible baby, do you know that? Bawling all the time, never sleeping.
Ball. Ball.
Bawling all the time, never sleeping.
Most lords worry more about their gold and their glory than the charwoman scrubbing their floors.
Char. Char.
Than their glory than the charwoman scrubbing their floors.
Jamie Lannister has played you for a fool. You've weakened our position. You brought discord into our camp.
Discord. Discord.
Brienne of Tarth. Tarth. Crescent moons and starbursts.
Crescent. Crescent.
Crescent moons and starbursts. There are 3 men in the kingdoms who might have a chance against me. You're not one of them.
All my life, men like you've sneered at me.
Sneer. Sneer.
All my life, men like you've sneered at me.
Stannis 2 days from the capital, and the wolf at my doorstep.
Doorstep. Doorstep.
And the wolf at my doorstep. Too close to Casterly Rock.
He sent a splinter force to recapture Winterfell.
Splinter. Splinter.
He sent a splinter force to recapture Winterfell.
I want a full night's march before he knows we're on the move. Clegane, you'll maintain a garrison here at Harrenhal.
Garrison. Garrison.
Clegane, you'll maintain a garrison here at Harrenhal. Clegane, you'll maintain a garrison here at Harrenhal. Track down this brotherhood and destroy them.
Brotherhood. Brotherhood.
Track down this brotherhood and destroy them.
Look it. Yoren's little cunt.
Your.
Look it. Yoren's little cunt.
You need sour cherries to make it ripe. And the secret is, you dry the stones, and then you break them with a mallet. That's when...
Mallet. Mallet.
And then you break them with a mallet. That's when...
And the gold catches the light, so you're nice and easy to spot at night.
Well, you're not sneaking through alleyways any longer.
Alleyway. Alleyway.
Well, you're not sneaking through alleyways any longer.
I always imagine myself doing something much worse.
Digging latrine pits at the end of the world.
Latrine. Latrine.
Digging latrine pits at the end of the world. Oh, must be dragon glass.
Dragon glass?
The Maesters call it obsidian.
Esther. Esther.
The Maesters call it obsidian.
I thought you preferred blondes.
Such a droll little fellow.
Droll. Droll.
Such a droll little fellow.
To play the harp and dance the latest steps and recite Valyrian poetry.
I'd like to hear you play the harp.
Harp. Harp.
I'd like to hear you play the harp.
I decided 2 things that day. I would not waste my years planning dances and masquerades with the other noble ladies.
Masquerade. Masquerade.
Planning dances and masquerades with the other noble ladies. I'm sorry, Your Grace. You told me of your problems and I blathered.
Blather. Blather.
You told me of your problems and I
lathered.
Away! Reset!
reset, reset,
Away! Reset!
Sew it on your coat, fly the onion flag.
My son wishes me to change it. 3 mermen with tridents, something like that.
trident, trident,
3 mermen with tridents, something like that.
The glorious rebels, marching from battle to battle, liberating towns from the yoke of the Mad King.
yoke, yoke,
Liberating towns from the yoke of the Mad King. And then you made it through the lines. Slipped right through in your little black sailboat with your onions.
sailboat, sailboat,
Slipped right through in your little black sailboat with your onions.
Oh, no one disputes that, my lord, not even the multitudes who despise you.
I wish we could converse as 2 honest, intelligent men.
converse, converse,
I wish we could converse as 2 honest, intelligent men. My sister became queen at the age of 19. When I reached manhood,
manhood, manhood,
when I reached manhood, my father put me in charge of all the drains and cisterns in Casterly Rock.
cistern, cistern,
My father put me in charge of all the drains and cisterns in Casterly Rock. My father put me in charge of all the drains and cisterns in Casterly Rock.
A most high-born plumber.
plumber, plumber,
A most high-born plumber.
Where is the god of tits and wine?
In the summer isles.
isle, isle,
In the summer isles.
Where is the god of tits and wine?
In the summer isles, they worship a fertility goddess with 16 teats.
Teat, teat.
They worship a fertility goddess with 16 teats.
I know they call you the mother of dragons, and I know you love them, but you didn't grow them in your womb. They didn't suckle at your breast. They are dragons, Khaleesi.
suckle, suckle,
They didn't suckle at your breast. They are dragons, Khaleesi.
If my dragons are in the House of the Undying, then take me there.
That's what the warlock wants.
warlock, warlock,
That's what the warlock wants.
They mustn't know. Bran would blame himself.
Bran, Bran,
Bran would blame himself.